Now, when it comes to Italian neighborhood favorites, the Upper East Side has one of the very best. Uva has been going for over a decade, and with good reason. First off, the space is quaint, cozy, and seductive, perfect for first date or a kid's-free treat. And the food is for real. Chef Claudio Menenghini è troppo bravo. He will have you feasting on mozzarella and camicia, mozzarella wrapped in prosciutto, baked with tomato and breadcrumbs, and the handmade pappardelle with veal ragu, delicious. Late-night diners can enjoy the full menu along with a few extras like meatball sliders, as the kitchen doesn't close until 2 a.m. most nights. And for the main course, the wrapped baked branzino is a must. But the undeniable star of the show at Uva is chef's signature dish. Warning, you will never want to eat gnocchi anywhere else ever again.
From scratch, 1, 2, 3, okay?
Gnocchi time.
Thank you. Can
Gnocchi
I go?
time. Yes, go.
All right. So let's start with some ricotta here, right?
The ricotta.
There you go, some ricotta. Then guess what? A little bit of Parmigiano.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Just for some flavor, right? A little nutmeg, okay?
That was a professional egg crack if I've ever seen one.
You see that?
Really fast.
Right.
Yes, people are hungry, Glenny.
You got everything?
Yes.
Can I go now?
Go.
Do it.
Andiamo, andiamo.
How about some pepper? Little
Glenny's
bit, not
favorite.
too much, just a little bit. Okay? I go, all right?
There you go.
Here we go. Let's mix it up. Let's mix it up. Now, we stretch it a little bit. Okay? We don't need all these, really. Get a knife. Little flour in the end. Just in the end. Then we cut. Just two.
Those are giant gnocchi.
We're making 2 orders. 2 orders is enough. So guess what? Now is to stretch it, right? Now we stretch it, and we let it roll on the flour.
Ah, look at
You
that.
get it, look at that, right?
Yeah.
So it picks up some flour right there, okay? Then guess what? Roll the other one. Then we keep rolling. We're only making 1 portion, so that is plenty. As you can see, ricotta gnocchi, they don't require too much flour because I use a special ricotta called ricotta impastata, which means without too much humidity content. Now we're ready to decorate the gnocchi, okay? And we use the fork to decorate the gnocchi, and we let them drop just like that.
That's so they hold the sauce, right?
They pick
they
up
look pretty,
the
too.
sauce just like that. You see? They pick up the sauce. You can see how I do it? Hold the fork down, and then with the thumb you make the little hole in the middle.
I like the hole
because
middle.
you need the hole to get the sauce. These are called female. Then you want to do the male gnocchi? Use the back of the grater.
I wonder why those are called female gnocchi.
I don't know. Look at the gnocchi my grandmother used to make with the back of the grater. Look, those are the male gnocchi, you see? When it's bubbling like that, it means it's taking it, reducing, and it's almost there, okay? Turn down the fire a little bit, and the gnocchi should be coming up, hopefully, very soon. Gnocchi are in the sauce. Then guess what? We keep reducing a little bit more.
Who else gets to eat gnocchi
We
for
add
breakfast?
some chives.
Oh, some chives. Nice.
Yes. And guess what?
What?
A little Parmesan cheese, no salt, okay? Parmesan cheese, it gives flavor. Ready for the plating? Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. How about that? Look, look, look,
Oh,
look.
my God.
Nice and soft like little pillows. Huh?
I was told they will melt in your mouth.
And to finish this whole thing, we just give it some beautiful black truffle pecorino.
Oh.
So it's more flavor. All you have here is flavor, flavor, and flavor.
Come on, get in there, Glenny. That's what we're talking. Wow. Do I eat a male first or a female first?
Oh boy, you know,
What are you laughing
you can
at
go
back
either
there?
or. Everything is good now. Yes, we love everybody here.
Okay.
Start with
The man's going in the gnocchi hole.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Did I do it or no? These might be the fluffiest gnocchis I've ever had. And to celebrate the dish, owner Luigi brought in the vino, and we went live on Facebook. So follow us on social media to get all the scoop before the show. Chin chin! Coming up, the best spot for spaghetti alla vongole, made in this authentic Sicilian spot that's not in Little Italy.